Hello everyone, I am Shivam. Today, let's talk about something that's shaping our future, OpenAI. You might have heard of ChatGPT, AI generated images, or even AI powered coding assistant. But do you know where all this come from? It is from OpenAI, one of the leading companies in artificial intelligence. But what exactly is OpenAI? How does it impact us? And is it really open? Let's find out. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research company founded in 2015 by a group of tech leaders including Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Greg Brockman, and others. Today, Sam Altman is the CEO leading the company's mission to develop AI that is safe and beneficial for humanity. Now, you might be wondering, why is it called OpenAI? The name OpenAI was chosen because initially the company wanted to make AI research open source and accessible to everyone. The goal was to share AI advancement for the benefit of humanity. But over the time, as AI became more powerful, OpenAI shifted a partially closed model, keeping some projects private for safety and business reasons. While it still contributes to AI research, many argues that true openness is now missing. So is OpenAI really open? That is still up for debate. OpenAI has created some of the most advanced AI models, including ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that can write, explain, and answer questions. We use ChatGPT in our daily life and it become an essential part of our daily life. So next is DALL-E, AI that generate images from text. Codex help programming by writing and understanding code, especially for coders and programmers. Whisper, a powerful speech to text AI. These tools are already changing the way we work and live. Enhance productivity. AI automate tasks like writing, coding, and research. Improve education. AI powered tutors help students learn better. Boost creativity. Generated unique art and music and stories which we use in our content creation journey. Support healthcare. Help in medical research and diagnostic. It can help us to understand the large jargon of medical healthcare which are unable to understand without any doctor or prescribe authority. But AI can do this, and a normal human who have no experience in this field can use it and read their medical reports. Save times, speeds up content creation and decision making. From student to businesses, OpenAI is transforming industries. Like now, every coin which have two possibility, head or tail. Like that, every technology has its downsides. Here are some concerns about OpenAI. Job automation. AI can replace human jobs, leading to unemployment. But history proven that AI, history proven that new technology cannot replace but history proven that new technology cannot create unemployment. It creates employment and new jobs as per the required skills. Privacy concerns. AI model process large amount of personal data. We chat with ChatGPT and give our personal data. So there is a privacy concern if these data are misused. Dependency on AI. Overuse of AI might reduce human creativity. Ethical risk. AI can be misused to create deep fakes and separate fake news. So, while OpenAI is powerful, it must be used responsibly. OpenAI is a revolutionary company that is shaping the future of AI. It has created some of the most advanced AI tools, making life easier and more efficient. However, its shifts from open source to a closed model has raised some question about its true mission. In last, AI is neither good nor bad. It is just a tool. It all depends on how we use it. Let's make sure we use AI wisely, ethically, and for the benefit of all. Thank you so much.